So look at this. When I'm typing, let's say the campus, and when I put the complete the word, it will repeat in loud. So it's mean you can just whatever you just type, it will give you in the loud thing. So if you want to activate this thing, you can do word by word. Also, you can do with character by character too. So just go here. It's sometimes very useful feature for people those has a vision problem, and sometimes it's very hard for them to see. So when you go into the settings, go into the accessibility, and there you'll find the vision enhancements. Go here and scroll down a little bit, and then after that very bottom you'll find speak keyboard input allowed. So when you turn on this feature, it will give you that option. Look at this. So now I'm typing, it's not saying anything. See? So when I turn this on, I just put it on word. Let's say if I do the character and word, so it will keep saying aloud character and word together. Sorry, I didn't turn on. So just go here, try this. See, that's how you can do. If you want to activate, if it's useful for you, you can just activate like this.